This video will talk about some number games that you can play using cards that can build your number fluency. So one popular one is, once again, have a whole lot of numbers down here. You might have these ones here. When you're playing with a partner, you might give them a target number to find. So for example, you might say, can you find two numbers that add together to get 13? And then they take these two. All right. The next person might then say, okay, can you find two numbers that add together to get 20? And we have our 10 and our 10, and so on and so forth. Another card game that is really important and can be played using addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division is a war type game where you put one card on your head, your partner puts one card on their head, and then someone tells you what the two numbers add up to. And then when you can see what their number is, you're able to see if you can work out what number is placed on your head. So for example, if there was two numbers together that added together to get 15, all right, I might see that my opponent has an 8 on their head, so therefore I can guess that my card must be a 7 to make it equal 15. You can do the same with multiplication, you can use the same with subtraction. So lots of different strategies, short and sharp. They're a little bit of fun for the students, but they also build their number fluency as they go along. Another game that you can play is dealing, for example, 3 numbers, all right, and simply using it as an opportunity to read what the number is. So you might read 388, then your partner might ask you, well, what is the value of the 8? What is the value of this 8? What is the value of the 3? And then you can do things like, well, what if we take away 10? Which one are we going to change? And you substitute this 8, and then you would place a 7 in its spot to show 378. Lots of different things that you can do there, short and sharp, that the kids quite enjoy, and often they can play with a sibling or a family member.